Myth: bears are just big, cuddly forest dogs. Reality: they're highly intelligent, massively powerful, and surprisingly refined survivalists. Give me 3 minutes and I'll change the way you think about bears. First, the menu. Most bears are omnivores: plants, fruit, insects, meat. Diets shift by species and season. Black and brown bears slam berries, nuts, flip logs for grubs, scavenge, hunt when they can. Giant pandas, bamboo specialists, clocking hours a day chewing fiber. Polar bears, full-on carnivores, targeting seals across sea ice. Senses: a bear's nose is next level. Their sense of smell beats a dog's by a mile, and their hearing is no joke either. They can pick up food, mates, and rivals from way off. Think kilometers. Now, the body. Bears walk plantigrade, on their heels, just like humans. That's why their tracks look oddly familiar. They can pop up on hind legs to see or sniff, sprint up to around 40 kilometers per hour, climb trees like it's nothing, especially black bears, and swim long distances. Big doesn't mean clumsy. Brains and personality. Bears solve problems, remember locations, and even use tools, like rocks for scratching or flipping shellfish. And they form strong social attachments. You'll usually see them solo, but they recognize neighbors, respect hierarchies at feeding sites, and mothers are fiercely devoted teachers. Winter mode, torpor. Not a full-on hibernation for most species, but a deep, energy-saving sleep in dens, caves, tree cavities, dugout burrows. They live off fat reserves and wake more easily than classic hibernators. Cubs arrive tiny, blind, and nearly hairless, usually while mom is denned. They nurse on rich milk, learn what to eat, where to walk, and when to run. Basically a crash course in how to bear. How many kinds? 8 species. American black bear, brown bear, that includes grizzlies. Polar bear, giant panda, sloth bear, sun bear, Asiatic black bear, and spectacled bear. And here's a curveball. American black bears aren't always black. They can be brown, cinnamon, blue-gray, even white. Polar bear bonus facts. They're classified as marine mammals because they live on sea ice and swim huge distances. Their fur, hollow and transparent, scattering light to look white. The skin underneath is black, absorbing heat from the sun. Communication isn't just growls. Bears use huffs, moans, jaw pops, body language, and scent marks to send messages.